Now we have the cancel new API for cancel. This is used when you need to cancel a booking. So basically, if I made a booking like this, and I want to click cancel, right? So like this. So we want to be able to cancel the booking. Okay. So right now it's not doing anything. So we need to hook up the front end to call the new API. Okay. So call the cancel. Okay. Actually, I just showed in the Swaggle UI, right? So if you try it out, you need to put it here. Okay, so let's do this. In the front end, here I already added a cancel booking method, right? So now we need to use Saga to call it, right? Let's see here, Saga. So in here, right, in Saga, we need to hook up the method. Let's call it cancel booking. Let's copy paste first. So let's say we want to cancel a booking. Cancel. And here, let's change this, right? Let's change this to cancel. What we need is a booking ID, right? And also we want a name, so we know who canceled the booking, right? So we can tell who canceled the booking. And one more thing is on success, which is a function. Because this is normally used after, because we want to do something after the call is successful, right? Usually we do it so we can pass the more like a callback kind of like a functionality, right? So basically here, let's get the name on success, right? So here we want to call oh, the name is the same. Cancel. Let's use another name, otherwise we may have conflict. Cancel current booking. So okay, let's just make the name different, otherwise it'll be a little bit tough. Cancel booking. Yeah, so this is from API, right? So we will pass the booking ID, name. We don't need on success here, so we don't. It doesn't return anything. It's a void. So as long as it's successful, like 200 status code is fine. So we don't even need to update the reducer. Then here, one more thing is invoke on success. So in our case, after we cancel is successful, we are forwarding you to the page where you can reschedule, basically back to this page, right? So later you can know. Okay, let's okay, put it here. So here we also need a reducer to have this, right? So let's add this here. Cancel booking. Okay, cancel booking. Cancel booking here, and cancel booking. Okay, so in the Saga, let's add this. Cancel booking, and cancel my current booking. Okay, so we need to hook up this to here, right? And in the action, let's expose it. Okay, we need to expose it in the method. So let's call it cancel booking. We need a booking ID. We need a name. We need what else? On success, right? You can, which is a function. So whatever after the on success need to happen. Cancel booking, booking ID, name, on success. Okay. So in the booking page, what else? In the booking page here, what else do we want? Oh, actually, let's the UI here is in here. The booking page here. This is public. Okay, so last time when we explained the code, we get the name from the URL, right? So remember here, this is the name. Remember? Okay. So this is basically the name we used if you want to cancel it right now. We also will send an email. That's another workflow. Basically, we send an email with containing the link. Then you can click the link to make the cancellation. Okay. So here we want to call the cancel API, right? Let's do this. So let's add method cancel booking. Add from action. Okay. Then let's copy the method here. And what parameter do we need? We need actions parameter. So let's copy the parameters. Okay, here. Okay, cancel booking. And here we need to call cancel API, right? So basically, when you click, we trigger the cancel booking. What do we need? So what we want is AP. We first pass the parameter, right? So we need the bookings ID, right? Booking.id should be having. So we have the booking parameter, right? And what else do we need? We need a name, right? We got the name from here, right? So remember, if you can check my previous video, you should have it. Okay. So on success is really what we want to do here. So why we want on success to happen is because we want to know that the call is successful. Then we can move to the next page, right? We need to make sure the call is finished. Then we go to the new page. So what we do is window.location.href. Yeah, we no longer want to stay in this page, right? So what's the new page? Let's see. Let's just search for this, right? So basically, we want to not open a new window. We want to change the current window to open a new URL, right? So we have a lot of this kind of example. We better use this so we can. Okay, let's change the URL here. So where do we want to go to? So we want to go back to this, right? So this is the URL is public and the booking links UUID. So let's change this. So public. Okay, what is the booking links UUID, right? So we have booking already, right? So in the booking, we have booking link. Let's see. Let's use exclamation mark. So we claim this is existing and .id. Okay. Because it might be undefined. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, so note that the message success it's an async call. Here, this is an async call. So this will happen immediately, and this is and when the call finish, this is like a callback to invoke this. Okay, so notice the sequence. Okay, so let's refresh the page and then click this. You see the sequence. Then we go back to here, right? It's pretty fast, huh? So let's try this again. If we book this and oh, not this one. If we do this schedule, this is the process, right? Okay, then we are in this page. Now say I want to cancel it, right? If I want to cancel it, what happen, right? If I click this, so remember what happened before? It pop up a message. Then because the call finished, we are forwarding to the new page, right? So this has seemed to be happening too fast. So let's give some timeout. Otherwise it's too fast, right? We didn't even see the message. So let's get at least like so give a timeout, right? I mean timeout is like a delay the call. Let's give it at least 1.5 second. This is in unit of a millisecond, right? At least wait 1.5 second. Okay. So let's refresh page. Right, because you didn't even get a chance to see what happened, right? So let's click this, so you see this text, right? Then you go there, then you can reschedule it, right? So you go to here, it's already canceled. So yeah, the message says the event has been canceled. We are forwarding you to the page where you can reschedule. So if you want to reschedule, you can do that. If you don't want to reschedule, just close the page, right? Okay, that's it.